Oh, but when Nigeria hard night, bless so you don't reach when Nedu go invite Tinubu come podcast.
Walai, talai. He's trying to tell you people, na lie, I lie.
The Nedu self, the way they go, soon they go beat her. That Nedu. You know, say, you go first set you up. I say, so Acapella, that day, wetin happen?
And the idiot, he work now to do. Oh my boy, now I want to make podcast. You know, say podcast, where they sweet, when they invite you, where you talk finish. Anybody where you talk about, they go invite her. You know, say they invite Tinubu now, he go cause Buhari.
If they invite Buhari,
before invite Buhari, Buhari go cause the next person. By the time they invite 5 people, we go know who spoil this country.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.
Thank you. Good evening.
Who never chop?
Good evening. These comedians, everybody just say marry. Yeah, or not marry. See, marriage na cause where God cause every man. All of us go enter down. 10 years ago, I was like you now. Hey, marriage. Today, I don't enter. I dey hear am. Agapi, you will enter. You will hear am. All of us go suffer am.
Funny bone, this couple are home now. Mr. DGN Construction, night constructor.
Yes.
I appreciate DGN. Thank you for supporting M.O.P.
Which of them be DGN? Which of them?
Yeah.
You can say Mr. Men, all the table on the club. Who be the main person?
Douglas, why they... Oh, you want more if you say don't make up. Wait. Who get that? No go cause problem between two friends.
Sorry. No, wait.
Now, small two, they divide friendship. Bring another one.
Wait, not between two friends. Between married man and single man.
Not fire you there. Funny go take your own. You see, say, if I leave this country, you go round. You see, as I collect, I give you your own.
Bro, now your type this country needs.
There's love in sharing. Now you will love. Idiot. Money never come. You don't, so now you're part of our family.
I got the who you say be the DGS?
DGS, yeah.
This one black. Bro, now mine you be. This one.
Why you go the way this guy? This guy go get money, but still DGS.
But I don't say this deadlock can never make it. My brother, you will go places. Well done. Some of these guys on your right.
No, this one are FGN because but when Nigeria hard night, bless so you don't reach when Nedu go invite Tinubu come podcast. No, make her explain to us.
No, I can me self, and they say the Nedu self, the way they go, soon they go beat her. That Nedu. You know, say, you go first set you up. I say, so Acapella, that day, wetin happen?
And the idiot, he work now to do. Oh my boy, now I want to make podcast. You know, say podcast where they sweet, when they invite you, where you talk finish. Anybody where you talk about, they go invite her. You know, say they invite Tinubu now, he go cause Buhari.
If they invite Buhari,
before invite Buhari go cause the next person. By the time they invite 5 people, we go know who spoil this country. He go round.
Walai, talai. He's trying to tell you people, na lie, I lie. So when you see Atiku say, walai, talai, tell him, na lie, you lie. People have been asking me, Mr. Excellency, what will he do to the youth of Nigerians? I have promised the youth already. Turn all the so-called Yahoo boys, turn them into experts in creating and manufacturing chips for that Dazan. A dead fish is not sweet in the soup. They are dead, and we share them. They say there's no job in the country. Who said there's no job? employ more than 50 million youths. Put them in the army. What to eat will not be the problem. Our farmers will make more money. Cassava, gari, DJ, play a song for me. I want to dance. Stop the song. Stop the song. The stage is shaking. It's shaking. A lot of you have graduated for long and you are still working. But when I come into power, it will be 4 years course for 4 years job. 7 years course for 7 years job. That is why we have a lot of dropouts, graduates outside. Let me tell you. I want to tell you a story. The story is about the animal kingdom. All the animals say na their wife bad pass. The tortoise, the lizard, the frog come say na him own, na him bad pass. All our oppositions na their own bad pass. When I traveled, before I leave, let me say this. That whatever you are doing, you should understand that the sideways is different from when you look upward behind.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.